Hello friends, happy to see again you on my channel, Learn Python by iPractic. Today I want to consider next task, list filtering. In this kata you will create a function that takes a list of non-negative integers and strings and returns a new list with the strings filtered out. In this video I will show you my simple way to solve this problem. First of all, we create a new list. Empty new list. After this we create cycle for with iterates each character step by step, and if type current character that iterates our cycle equal integer, then to our new list we append this character and return our new list. Test. Yes, it's working. Also can solve another solutions from another people. If you have question for my solution or solutions our people, you can ask me in the comments line. Thank you for your review. See you in the next video. Bye bye.